So hey there digital friends, and welcome back to a new video. And in this video you are going to see the unboxing of the webcam and the headset, especially for the online classes. So let's start with the webcam itself. So I bought this webcam for 750 rupees from Amazon. So let's see what's inside. So as you can see, we can see the camera here and a user manual also. So this is how the camera looks, and at the center we have the camera and the 6 LED lights, hence we can use it for the low light also. So yeah, this is the stand so that we can fix it somewhere, for example on the monitor, etc. So at the back you can see we have the on off button for these 6 LED lights, and this is a button so that we can take the snaps during the camera or video recording also. So this is the lens so that we can adjust the focus during the setup of this webcam. So I will show you a small demo on how it works also. So with the cable, as you can see, we get the USB cable for the webcam and the 3.5mm jack for recording the audio. So here it is, the mic is present over here. So when we are setting up the device, I will show you how it works also. So this is the unboxing of this webcam. So let's enter the unboxing of the headset also. Now let's see the unboxing of the headset. I thought of ordering it from the Flipkart, but at the time of the ordering the product goes out of stock. So when I checked it out in the Too Good website, I found it and I purchased it. So in Flipkart it's available for 600 rupees, and from Too Good I bought the like new condition headset for 460 rupees. So now let's see the condition of the headset, as Too Good claims it's a like new product. This product is claimed to be like new product, but when we see the box is fully damaged. So let's see how the headset inside this box. So here is the headset, and the headset seems to be fine, but near the foam it looks like a slight damage is there, but it is slightly acceptable. But if it is in a good condition, but they claimed it as a like new. So with the headset, as you can see, we get the two 3.5mm jacks, one for the speaker and one for the microphone. I tested this headset, and in fact the output from this headset is very good. The audio quality, the bass, everything seems good. This headset is not only for listening online classes, but we can also use it for listening songs. And inside the box, if we see, we can see we have a 3.5mm connector which we can use for laptops or mobile phones. The mic is okay and it works without any issues. So here is the demo of how the webcam works. So I am trying to focus the webcam now. So let's rotate the lens and try to focus it. The quality from this webcam is really good. I have tested in online classes also. There are no disturbances, but I suggest you to don't use this mic, as the mic when we use the webcam is really far, so we can't get high volume from these mics. And this is how it looks when we turn on the LED lights. We can use it during the low light conditions. So thank you for watching this video and subscribe.